Welcome back to Robinhood, where we help you take control of your financial future. Today, we're diving into a critical topic for any investor. Top 5 ETFs to invest in for 2024. But before we reveal the list, let's start with some basics. So what exactly is an ETF? An ETF, or exchange-traded fund, is a type of investment fund that automatically tracks the performance of a specific group of stocks or bonds, known as an index. For example, the S&P 500 index tracks 500 of the largest companies in the US. Instead of trying to pick individual stocks, an ETF buys all the stocks in that index, giving you a little piece of each company. The beauty of an ETF is that it combines the benefits of a mutual fund with the flexibility of trading like a stock. You can buy or sell ETFs throughout the trading day at market prices, making them an accessible and efficient way to invest in a broad range of assets. Now, why should you consider investing in an ETF instead of picking your own stocks? The answer is diversification, lower risk, and better long-term performance. When you invest in an ETF, you're spreading your investment across many different companies, which helps protect you from the ups and downs of individual stocks. But here's the kicker. Research consistently shows that ETFs outperform actively managed funds over the long term. According to a report by Standard & Poor's, over 80% of actively managed funds underperform their benchmark index over a 10-year period. This is because actively managed funds try to pick winning stocks, which often results in higher fees and lower returns. On the other hand, ETFs simply follow the market, and by doing so, they've historically delivered higher returns with lower costs. It's a strategy that's simple, effective, and proven to work. Let's start with the Vanguard S&P 500 ETF, VOO. This ETF tracks the S&P 500, which includes 500 of the largest and most successful companies in the US, like Apple, Amazon, and Microsoft. Over the long term, the S&P 500 has delivered an average annual return of about 10%. This makes VOO a cornerstone investment for anyone looking to grow their wealth steadily over time. Next, we have the Vanguard Total Stock Market ETF, VTI. Unlike the S&P 500, which focuses on large companies, VTI gives you exposure to the entire US stock market, large, mid, and small cap stocks alike. VTI provides broad diversification with over 3,000 companies in its portfolio. Its long-term average return is also around 10% per year, but with a wider range of stocks, it offers even more diversification. To diversify beyond the US, consider the Vanguard Total International Stock ETF, VXUS. This ETF gives you access to thousands of companies across developed and emerging markets outside the US. International markets can offer growth opportunities that you might not find domestically. Over the long term, VXS has delivered average returns of about 5 to 7% per year, providing important global diversification to your portfolio. If you're looking for one fund that gives you exposure to both US and international markets, the Vanguard Total World Stock ETF, VT, is an excellent choice. This ETF tracks the performance of the global stock market, covering over 9,000 companies worldwide. VT offers an average annual return of around 8% over the long term. It's a simple way to achieve global diversification and benefit from growth opportunities in every major market. Finally, for those interested in earning income from their investments, there's the Schwab US Dividend Equity ETF, SCHD. This ETF focuses on high-quality US companies that consistently pay dividends. SCHD has a strong performance history, with an average annual return of around 10% over the past decade. By reinvesting those dividends, you can supercharge your investment returns over time, making SCHD a great option for both income and growth. And there you have it. Top 5 ETFs to invest in for 2024. By choosing these ETFs, you're not just investing in individual companies. You're investing in the broader market, both domestically and internationally, which can help you achieve long-term financial success. If you want to learn more about how to incorporate ETFs into your investment portfolio, be sure to check out my next video, where I'll break it down step by step. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with others who might benefit from these investment tips. And as always, stay tuned to Robinhood for more insights to help you take control of your financial future. Until next time, keep saving, keep investing, and remember, it's never too late to become your own financial hero.